In this video we are going to talk about how to make money online as a teenager in 2022. Money is freedom from a lot of struggles that you would face if you didn't have as much of it. Money's not going to solve every problem in your life, and it's not going to guarantee that you're always happy or fulfilled. But having money will eliminate many worries and pains that you may otherwise face, at least up to a certain point. Having an extra $50 each month means not having to worry about paying your phone bill. A few extra hundreds could be the difference between worrying about your utilities being shut off. An extra $1,000 a month means you don't have to fret about your living situation since your rent or mortgage are covered. Having tens of thousands or more in the bank means you're all set for any emergency repairs to your vehicle, health scares, and so on. I'm not saying you should dedicate your entire teenage years to working and making money. I'm just saying it's a great time to start thinking about making money during your free time, since this money will open a lot of doors for you, especially if you come from a less fortunate or privileged background. Now let's see the best ways to start making money online, but before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Number 10. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the methods you can make money as a teenager. You will be a teenager who has the skills of writing and compiled with a master of words. Therefore, you can write blog articles, media articles, etc. And also freelance writing is a good way to improve your skills. It will be profitable for you in the future. Number 9. Investing in the stock market. Investing as a teenager is an entirely applicable and most profitable method to start. And also it gives you the experience to start earning an actual paycheck and making large investments. This is one of the best online jobs for teens. Number 8. Become a personal assistant. Most of the adults get busy at all times in their schedules. Because of that busy lifestyle, they make a mess around everything at once. That is why they need additional support from someone. Then you can help them and earn money. So as that you can perform things such as helping them by shopping, reminding meetings, helping out with errands. Number 7. Selling your designs. You can earn a side income by selling your designs. You might be a talent for designing. And also you have an interest in designing t-shirts, totes, drink mugs, hoodies. Therefore, this might be a lucrative business idea for you. Not only that, you can create logos, fonts, templates also. However, you can sell your designs at Cafe Press or Creative Market. Number 6. Earn money as a proofreader. Proofreading is also one of the best income modes that you can make money as a teenager. You might be a person who specializes in opt-out grammatical errors. Therefore, this will be the most applicable way for you to earn money. You might get paid as a proofreader by proofreading blog posts, letters, articles, and also emails. As a beginner, you can search on Textmaster, Upwork, Amazon MTurk for proofreading jobs. Number 5. User testing websites. If you are searching for how to make money online as a teen, this is one of the income modes for teenagers. Therefore, you can earn money from surfing websites. This can range from testing usability. And also you do not need to be an expert in web development or specialists in related tasks. Therefore, there are some brands that look for people like teenagers to have different kinds of opinions. Some of the most popular sites are usertesting.com, testbirds, etc. Number 4. Selling stock photos. If you have good skills in photography, you can make money from being a photographer. However, stock photos and visuals usually have the demand in the market. Therefore, as a photographer, you can take some interesting photos and you can use the already taken photos. And also you can sell your stock photos on platforms like iStock, 123RF, Dreamstime, etc. Number 3. Earn money with Swagbucks. Swagbucks also is known as SB. It is for playing games using their search engines, referring friends, surveys, shopping for cashback, and watching videos. And also Swagbucks is capable of being exchanged for gift cards. Not only that, but it might also be sent out as cash to a PayPal account. Number 2. Resell items on Amazon. If you are a teenager with having a good eye for spotting deals, this is the best way for you to make money, and it is one of the jobs online for teens. And also you can instantly upturn for a profit. However, you might be scouting Facebook, Walmart, and Craigslist for items. Therefore, there is a huge demand for reselling items on Amazon. Number 1. Online freelancing. Through Fiverr and Upwork, you might be a web developer or a graphic designer. Therefore, you can start online freelancing works. And also you can work from home. You can get your money from PayPal. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments section. If you like this video and want to hear from me again, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.